patchouli? Patchouli. Patchouli. Patchouli? 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 I don't know. I don't know how to say it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be continuing with my one palette challenge for the week. So this is day 2 of my one palette challenge. If you have not seen day 1, it was posted yesterday. I will leave it either in the cards or down in the description for you to go check it out. But basically what it is I am for the week using one palette only. I'm using my Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. This is what it looks like if you've never seen it. This palette came in my BoxyCharm for November. I'm not positive on the price. I will look it up and I'll post it on the screen for you guys if you're interested in knowing how much you can get this for. I think it retails for like $18 to $20, something like that. It may even be cheaper, but I'm not sure. But the rules are that I can only use this one palette, 5 or 6 different looks. I think I'm going to post on Saturday just because I feel like the more videos, the better. So 6 looks out of this one palette with 8 shades is going to definitely be a challenge. Yesterday it turned out pretty good. I was really excited. I was proud of myself. I did not expect for it to turn out as well as it did, and it looked really good. So I'm excited to go again today and see what I can do with this palette. The reason that I am doing a one palette challenge is because I want to challenge myself to use the palettes that I have financially. I've just been going overboard with buying makeup, and I don't want to get my collection so big that I'm never using certain things. And I promised my husband that I would only buy makeup now when I reach my hundreds. So right now I'm at about 230 subscribers. Once I hit 300, I can buy more makeup. Once I hit 400, I can buy more makeup. 500, more makeup. So help me get to 300 so I can spend my husband's money, because y'all know y'all want to see him suffer. Maybe I'll vlog him cringing me buying some makeup. But yeah, I don't want to talk too much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to my channel. I would truly appreciate it, and it would definitely help me out. Definitely help me out. And make sure you turn on your notifications so you never miss a posting. Let's get into this challenge. Today I'm going to be prepping my eyes with my Morphe eyelid primer. I have not used this in so long. I've had it for a couple months now. Shelf life is 12 months, so it's still good. But yeah, I haven't used this in a while, but I do like this stuff, so I'm going to be priming my eyes with this today instead of concealer, just because I don't want this look to be too heavy, and I feel like the concealer causes me to put on a heavy amount of makeup. So we're going to use the primer today, and yeah. And using my finger, I'm just going to go in with my setting powder, and I'm going to set that. So not too much. Today I think I want to do more of a neutral type situation, so I'm going to try to stay away from clove, rose, poppy. I'm going to stick to the jasmine and patchouli. I still don't know how to say that. Patchouli. Patchouli? 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 I don't know. I don't know how to say it. Primrose, cinnamon, myrtle. I'm going to stick to those colors. I may not use all of them, but I'm going to try to stick to those colors just because they're more of on the natural neutral side. So I'm going to try to get somewhere in that realm with this situation today. So I'm going to pick out some brushes and we'll get started. Okay, I'm going in with my Morphe 218 brush, and I'm going to go into cinnamon. I'm starting with cinnamon again, just because again I want a deeper outer corner, And I'm going to make sure to stick to just the outer corner with this, and I'm going to get it as deep and as dark as I can. I might blend it with Poppy just because Poppy is a darker, deeper color. So I might take a little bit of Poppy, blend it in to just deepen this as much as possible. So I know I said I was going to stay away from it, but I will need it to blend that in. So we'll see how this works. So it's not as deep as I'm wanting it to be, but it is okay. We're not going to worry about it. We're not going to stress over it. I'm going to take this blending brush, this crease blending brush from E.L.F, and I'm going to go into patchouli. I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm really not knowing how this is going to turn out, but it shouldn't be too bad. But I'm going to take this Luxie 141 mini round brush, and I'm going to go into Myrtle right here. And I'm going to take this into the inner corner and just kind of do like a half cut crease situation. So to get it to really stick, I'm going to spritz it. Okay, I'm not liking this look. I'm not liking how it's going, but it's okay. We will get over it. I'm going to put on lashes and do the rest of my face, and we'll come back and do the rest of this eye look. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've done the rest of my face, but I did not do my lashes and the rest of my eyes, as you can see, because I want to show you guys what I'm going to do as far as like everything with my eyes, putting on my lashes, my liner, and all of that. Sometimes I make those decisions off camera and then I forget to tell you guys what I did, so I want to make sure that I get all of that included into the video for you guys. So I'm going to make sure, I'm just going to dip into cinnamon really quick. I'm just going to make sure that this is really blending. Now taking my Morphe 149 brush, I'm going to dip into Jasmine. No, I'm going to go into Primrose, this color right here. And put that in the brow area. It's a lot of gold going in here, so I'm going to mix Jasmine in just a little bit. It'll look better once I do my brows. Okay, now I'm going to do my lashes and my brows. I'm not going to talk about anything, so it's just going to speed through. Okay, so we have these lashes on. Honestly, I like them. I do like them. This one needs to be in a little more because it's like cut off too early. But other than that, I do like them. The length is not a problem. The thickness is not a problem. I just think the problem really is the fact that I have nothing going on underneath. It's so loud and vibrant and hello, look at me up here. And then it's like, you forgot about us. So I don't know. And don't be talking about my fingernail. I know. I painted my nails last night, and this is why I hate painting my nails. I don't even pay attention to it no more, but I'll be taking it off today. But we're gonna go back in to this palette really quick, and I'm gonna touch. I'm gonna take this mini tapered 121 Luxie brush, and I'm going to go into Myrtle and go really close to the lash line with this. And I'm going with Cinnamon. I should probably do like a dark liner, but we ain't gonna worry about it. So yeah, this is the second look from this palette, Ace Beauty Grandiose eyeshadow palette for my one palette challenge week. I am, again, slightly impressed with how it turned out. I'll close my eyes so you guys can see exactly what's going on there, because I know these lashes are kind of distracting. But yeah, I like it. Do I think these lashes are the best lashes to go with for this look? Absolutely not, because this look is very neutral and natural more so. It's kind of a bronzy look and kind of an everyday type look, and these lashes are not everyday, honey. They won't even stay on. They're so heavy. They are really heavy. They don't look heavy, but they are super heavy. That's why I'm like pulling my eyes up a lot, because they are super heavy. I am in love with my double layered lashes right now from Kiss, I Envy. They're in the style double layered. Those are my favorite lashes right now. I definitely need to get more, because I'm thinking that they're almost on their last leg. I've used them so much. But I like this look. Honestly, I like my foundation and my highlighter and all of that more than I care for this eye look. But I did get an eye look out of it, so challenge successful, I guess, is what I have to say about it. I think it came together pretty nicely. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this look down in the comment section. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that button, because I would love to buy some more makeup. I want to spend some money. My fingers are itching to get my hands on some new makeup, and I can only do that once I hit 300 subscribers. So you guys have to subscribe so that I can give you more makeup looks outside of the grandiose palette, okay? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you know when I am posting. Yeah, I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.